Hi friends, Jesus loves you. I would like to clarify that some Christians believers teaching and preaching that Jesus Christ was came to earth and crucified for physical blessings and to heal from disease, even to make more rich his followers, I mean to the Christians, and eventually he would take them to heaven for everlasting life and for eternity. But this is the misunderstanding and wrong interpretation from the Bible's meaning. But the truth and reality is this: Jesus came to this world to forgive the sins of the people and revive reconciling the people to live with God. With his sacrifice on the cross and resurrecting after 3 days, Jesus performed many miracles he did, so that people would believe in him and know that he is the Son of God, so that he can save his followers, means genuine believer's life. Why do I say that the physical blessing, healing, has not yet been completed among us even on the earth, but it will be fulfilled through Christ during the 1000 years reign by Christ? Here we can see Romans chapter 8 verses 20 to 23. The Bible said that, because the universe was subjected to useless things with the will of the subordinate, not by the will of the subordinate, in the hope that the universe itself was freed from the slavery of rotting, God's children will be brought to the splendid freedom, because we know that the whole creation is still groaning and in pain. Therefore, the whole creation is not yet perfect. God will make it perfect when Jesus makes it perfect. On their second coming to the earth will come to the Mount of Olives in Israel, and for 1000 years will rule all over the earth from different languages, countries and peoples of the earth. That's reason this is my instructions to the some people, those who believe in false teachings and blindly believing the words of others. So be careful yourself. May God help you to understand.